Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Bank of Queensland. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in BANK of QUEENSLAND and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be on the home page of BOQ. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, another menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, simply click on this log on to internet banking option. After you do that, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on don't show this message again and then click on this continue button. After you click on the continue button, you will be on the login page of BOQ. Now on this page, simply fill in your customer access number here, your password here, your user ID here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on the login button and if your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.